Take a look at this, folks. Polygon now supports apecoin with access to 19,000 decentralized apps. Hello boys and girls, and welcome to a place where we tell you everything you want to know and everything you need to know regarding your favorite cryptocurrency. In this video, as you could have guessed, we are going to be talking about none other than apecoin. And of course, I will be providing you with a price prediction on ape, so if you want to find out where this price is going to go in the future, make sure to stay with us till the end of this video, because first of all guys, I would not want you to miss out on some of the really interesting news and updates that we have prepared for you. Now before we go over the news, let me first share a couple of price details regarding apecoin. If we take a look at the price right now, we can see that the current value of ape is $14.14, which is a drop of 7.04% in the last couple of hours. The trading volume, on the other hand, is down by much more. It's down by 35.65%, as you can see on the screen. But take a look at the price movement in the last 24 hours, guys. Unfortunately, it's mostly in the red. What's important for us is this dot right over here in the end. So where is this price going in the future? If that's what you want to find out, you have come to the right place, because all you would need to do is watch this video till the end and I will provide you with that price prediction. Now first of all, let me get back to the news that I started the video with. So, Layer 2 scaling platform Polygon now supports apecoin, making it available for more than 19,000 decentralized applications and games across the board. Following the historic NFT sale on Yuga Lab, the company behind the Bored Ape series of NFTs and apecoin, said in a follow-up Twitter update. This has been the largest NFT mint in a history by several multiples, and yet the gas used during the mint shows that demand far exceeded anyone's wildest expectation. The scale of this mint was so large that ethers can't crash. We are sorry for turning off the lights at Ethereum for a while. It stated that apecoin might need to migrate to its chain to scale properly, as Ethereum was unable to handle the enormous buying volume. As previously reported by You Today, the scale of Other Deeds NFTs in an online sale of April 30th raised through $285 million worth of cryptocurrencies. Only apecoin could be used to acquire Other Deeds, which could then be exchanged for plots of virtual land in a further Bored Ape team metaverse called Other Side. Other Deeds were available for 305 apecoin each and were accordingly sold out. As the firm reported in a tweet, within 24 hours on the historic NFT mint, apecoin, the token underlying the Bored Ape Yacht Club inspired DAO, plummeted. Ape is now trading at 15.39 at the time of writing. Right now guys, it's at $14.15, so it has dropped even further. Now Polygon recently announced that it has hit a new adoption milestone with more than 19,000 decentralized applications running on its network, a 500% increase from 3,000 apps in October per Alchemy data. So guys, apecoin is now available on Polygon, and soon it will probably create its own blockchain. But what's going on with the price, guys? We are seeing it in the red. If we take a look a bit wider time frame, again in the last 7 days, we can see this huge drop over here, and it's showing actually that the bears are not giving up on this. They are pushing this price further down. So where will it go in the future? I will tell you that in a moment, but first let me show you one of the reasons why apecoin is down right now. Take a look at this. Apecoin's recent surge caught the attention of not just monkey lovers, but also whales and other smaller sea creatures in the crypto ocean. Since then, however, ape's price has plunged again. At the press time, the wild monkey token was trading at $14.80 after losing 10.04% of its value in the past day. Ape also dropped 20.89% in the last week. So what's going on with the price? At the press time, data from Sentiment showed that Ape's rise in price followed by millions of Ape tokens returning to the exchanges. However, as soon as Ape price fell down to around $20, Ape began returning to exchanges at high speed as soon as the supply of Ape on exchanges hit all-time highs on around 45.08 million. This suggests that ape investors aren't in for the project for a long run, but they are looking to take their profits and when they can. With prices now back to where they were in late April, investors should be expecting a good deal of volatility. Naturally, you might be wondering if whales are behind the latest round of sell-offs. The short answer, it's very much possibly, as whale transactions worth more than $100,000 spiked shortly before ape tumbled into price yet again. So guys, the reason why the apecoin price has dropped is because the huge amount of apecoin has returned back to the exchanges. So right now, the value of apecoin is $14.17. But where is this token going in the future? Take a look at this, guys. Ape has been decreasing since reaching all-time high at the price of $27.60. On April 28 so far, it has decreased 45%. On May 2nd, it reached $14.20 and bounced slightly. The bounce served to validate the previous all-time high resistance at $14.50 as a support. A breakdown below this level would indicate that the current structure is bearish. And indeed, it's bearish, guys, because right now it's $14.17. So is apecoin a good investment right now? Folks, my opinion on this is that the bears will drive this price a bit further down. So I would not advise you to enter at this level of $14, because what I'm seeing here is in the very near future, the price of ape will drop under $14. Now, if the bulls take over then, and if the trading volume increases, then apecoin would be a good investment. If you buy it now, you will just be losing money, because the bears will not give up until they drive this price under $14 value. If you like this video, leave me a comment, and thank you for viewing.